Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to add background music on Snapchat. So let's go. For this, first of all, you have to go to your Snapchat app, then click on Stories. Now click on My Story. Here you have to choose your own picture or video. Here you can see a music option. Click on that. Now you can see a lot of music. Choose the music you like. Now click on My Story. That's it. So this is how you can add background music on Snapchat. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.